Subject matter of human geography is the today's topic. According to White and Renner, it is threefold: social data from human affairs, physical materials from nature, abstract relationship between human and nature. And it may be divided into two broad sections: physical or natural environment, cultural or man-made environment. According to Finch and Trevartha, human facts, it's on regional basis of the systematic study. Huntington has divided the scope of human geography into two groups: physical conditions and human responses. Huntington divides the elements of physical environment into following 6 groups: the earth as a globe, landforms, water bodies, pani, soil and minerals, mitti or minerals, or climate, jalvayu, plants and animals. Man's response to geographic environment is material needs of the human being is fulfilled by the environment. Man's fundamental occupations, human efficiency, human skill, his knowledge, his efficiency, and the last one is higher needs of human being. Vidal de la Blache, he said, the field of human geography is divided into 3 parts. First is population, second is interrelation population बा जनसंख्या. जनसंख्या की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, डेंसिटी, मीन्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड, मतलब किस तरह से जनसंख्या जो अपनी लाइफ को, अर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़ क्या है, अपनी लाइफ बिता रहे हैं. सेकेंड इज इंटर रिलेशनशिप ऑफ एनवायरमेंट एंड मैन. And the third is means of transport, various means of transport. Next, Jean Brunhes, he divided the subject matter into a study of 3 groups and 6 types of essential facts. 3 ग्रुप में बांटे हैं और 6 essential facts के बारे में उन्होंने कहा है. The first is essential facts of first group. These are connected with the अनप्रोडक्टिव ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द सॉइल, जहाँ पे सॉइल की कोई प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं है, लाइक हाउसेज, हाईवेज. सेकेंड इज बी एसेंशियल फैक्ट्स ऑफ सेकेंड ग्रुप. दीज आर कनेक्टेड विद द कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट एंड एनिमल वर्ल्ड. इट हैज़ 2 मेन सब डिविजन्स: कल्टिवेटेड लैंड, कल्टिवेटेड फील्ड्स, और डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स. सी essential facts of third group. These are connected with destructive occupation of the soil. It has 2 main subdivisions: destruction of plants and animals, or second one is exploitation of minerals. Beyond these essential facts, there is an area of wider study. A. Geography of the first vital necessity included fundamental physiological needs like air, food, sleep and clothes. These are the physiological needs. हमारी शरीर के लिए चाहिए, हमें खाना चाहिए, हमें एयर चाहिए ब्रीदिंग के लिए, बा हमें सोना है, बा हमें कपड़ा पहनने के लिए चाहिए. Second is geography of the exploitation of the earth, agriculture, pastoral and industrial activities which satisfy the primary needs. और C है economic and social geography, that is production, transportation, exchange. कुछ प्रोड्यूस होता है, वो ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है, और फिर एक्सचेंज भी होता है. आइदर किसी गुड्स के साथ एक्सचेंज होता है या मनी से एक्सचेंज होता है. एंड सोशल ज्योग्राफी का पार्ट है कल्चर. D है पॉलिटिकल एंड हिस्टोरिकल ज्योग्राफी. Political and historical geography includes related to frontiers, territory, routes, groups of states, etc. P.M. Roxby divided the subject matter of human geography into following 4 groups. racial geography বা जहाँ पे races বা जाति के बारे में बताया जाता है, economic geography, economic activities of man, political geography and social geography. So this is the subject matter of human geography in a broad sense. Thank you.